This is my home. Beautiful, right? But it's dying. And so am I. You see, it's covered in litter. Nets and ropes that have been dumped and discarded have washed up here. Some have been here so long that they've been buried and can't be removed. Tarps and trash of all kinds makes its way here. And it shouldn't. So before this beautiful beach and all of its wildlife dies, let's clean up our act. Reduce your use of single-use plastics like water bottles and grocery bags. Invest in reusable ones instead that can be used over and over again and don't pollute the earth. If you do need to use single-use plastics, make sure to reuse or recycle them when you're finished with them. And if you're ever on a beach and see garbage, take 5 or 10 or however long to clean up after yourself and the others who left trash. Every little bit helps to preserve our planet. Thank you.